Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make some noodles. Into a pan add some oil, some chopped garlic, some sesame seeds, some red chili powder. Add 1 cinnamon and a bay leaf. Saute it for some time. The heat should be in very low, or else you may burn the sesame seeds and chili powder. Once all the flavors are well infused into the oil, you can take out the cinnamon and bay leaf from that. Also take out 2 tablespoons of this oil for final garnishing. Now into the rest of the oil add in garlic, ginger and some small onion chopped. Saute it for some time. Now into that add in some boiled corn. We can also add in some veggies like carrots and bell peppers. Now let's add the main ingredient, that is some peanut butter. Now saute it really well with the boiled corn. This peanut butter brings a really good flavor in this noodles, so don't skip it. Now into that add some dark soy sauce and saute it again. Now finally add in boiled noodles. Mix it nicely. You can also add in some water if required. Here I have added just 1/4 cup. Now mix everything really well. Now you can close the lid and cook these noodles on a very low flame for 5 to 10 minutes until all the flavors have nicely absorbed into the noodles. Now our peanut butter noodles is ready. Let's plate it. As the final garnishing, add some sesame seeds and some chili oil, some green onion and lots of roasted peanuts. So definitely try out this amazing recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.